Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cook AALO 65 or potato 65 recipe. So here in a pan I'm adding some water, bring to a boil, and add 1 teaspoon of salt. So now I'm adding 5 medium-sized sliced potatoes. Boil these potatoes until it is 70% cooked. Do not overcook it. So it looks cooked. So I'm removing it and I'm draining some water from it. So now we are going to season our potatoes. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, and 1 tablespoon corn flour. So mix it and see to it that all the slices of potatoes are coated. So here in a pan, I'm adding an oil enough to fry our potatoes. Just fry in a medium flame, guys. Keep checking it, otherwise it will get burned. So this is good, it is golden brown, so I'm removing it. I'm draining some oil from the potatoes. So here in a pan, I'm using the same pan before. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil and it was hot, so I'm adding 2 pieces of green chilies and 1 medium size onion. It is chopped. And I'm adding 5 cloves of garlic chopped and 1/2 inch ginger. It was also chopped. So it is golden brown, it looks good. So I'm adding 1 medium-sized chopped capsicum. So now this is the time to put all the masalas. So here I got 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala powder. So saute it for a minute. So now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Saute for about a minute and add 1/2 cup of curd. Guys, when we are adding curd, we have to switch off the fire, and see to it that the curd becomes cooked. And now I'm gonna put 1/2 teaspoon of salt. It is according to your taste, guys. So now this is the time I'm gonna add my fried potatoes. So mix it all together so that it will be coated with the sauce. So now I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of kitchen king masala and the coriander leaves. So mix all together. Looks good. So now it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, guys.